Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about Credit Suisse Bank, more specifically how you can order checks for your Credit Suisse Bank account. So first, just a little bit of background on what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account, and you use this to pay someone or a company. The way that it works is you write the check and then give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check into their bank account, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we kind of have an understanding of what a check is, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your Credit Suisse bank account number and routing number on it. So the first thing you're going to do is open your web browser and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you normally use will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the Credit Suisse website, and you can see the bank web address at the top of the screen, credit-suisse.com. You can also check out the description for the link to the bank. The first way that you can order checks is going to be to log on to your Credit Suisse bank account online. To do this, once you're on the main screen, you're going to click on this little icon that kind of looks like a person, and then click on Individual Clients. From here, this is going to take you to a screen where you can enter your user ID and your password. Once you're in, you're going to go to Banking Options and order checks online if available. Usually, banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but definitely be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way that you can order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number for Credit Suisse. You can usually find this phone number located on the back of your Credit Suisse debit card, and that's probably going to be the easiest place to find that phone number. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the Credit Suisse website, but that could sometimes be a little bit tricky and not so straightforward to find. So if you happen to know of any other ways to find this phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do also want to let you know that sometimes there's an additional fee to use this service to order checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third and final way to order checks is going to be to go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for Credit Suisse Bank. I've already got this tab up, and I've already typed in the search bar order replacement checks for Credit Suisse Bank, and what this does is it brings up several third-party vendor websites that you can order checks from. You've got identity checks, CheckWorks, extra value checks, as a couple of examples of websites that you can order your checks from. I do want to let you know that prices and security features will vary when ordering checks online through a third-party vendor. So if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order checks from, please be sure to let me know in the comments. Ordering checks from a third-party vendor is also where your voided check copy will come in handy, because you'll need to have your exact Credit Suisse account number and routing number. Unlike when you order from the Credit Suisse Bank website or through their customer service, those numbers are not going to be automatically loaded, and you'll have to provide them yourself. And you're going to want to make sure that you enter them exactly correct, so that way you don't have to worry about bounced checks and things like that due to wrong numbers on the checks. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found it useful, and please be sure to check out the description for more information about Credit Suisse.